Hello, and welcome to another cube unboxing. For this one, I will be starting with, in my opinion, the least exciting thing that I got. So to start out, we have got Moyu backpack. I think's excellent. It's got a pocket in here, easily zips up and out. It's got this big pocket in here, pocket there, pockets there. And then of course the main bit is here. This can prop up to there. We've then got these separators. Yes, not too much to say about it other than it works quite well. I've had a few cubes in it, but I'll try it with some more at some point. And now of course we have got mat. This is the Hello Cubes mat, and yeah, it's got all the OLs, PLs, and some FPL cases. I'm not sure how many FPL cases. In fact, I don't know. 41 FPL cases. Big plastic. It's our leather texture. Now, ooh, smells funny. Yeah, I'm at. If I need to get a PLL, it's right here, so I can just, oh yeah, what's that one? Did it. Obviously that wasn't a PLL, but yeah, seems quite good. I need to find some way to pin it down properly, maybe some blowtorch will probably do it, honestly. Yes, and now we've got a gear cube. Open it, which isn't solved for some reason. Don't know why. I'm not sure if I am going to learn how to solve it. I might. It appears to just have these swapped. So, yeah, it is what? LaFun cube. I'm sure I won't have LaFun with it. I'm sure it'll be quite annoying to solve, actually. Shall put that over there. Then got a GAN Scube magnetic. You may know I already do have one, but it got broken there. So yeah. I shall open it. Maybe. Not the sharpest knife, but nice 10-year sticker, and of course, that's a really nice opening. Do really like it. So first of all, we'll go over accessories that it comes with. A GAN bag, of course. Who doesn't love a nice GAN bag? Then, of course, you got a GS nut thingy, adjustment system in it, and a pamphlet, I'm guessing. How to solve it? Yes. How to solve it. So that's what it comes with. Of course, it's got the case. Plastic wrap again. that needs lubricated, definitely. But yeah, I think this was actually a step down from that one. I believe that one's enhanced. In fact, it is enhanced. This is slightly worse. It's got glossy, I think. Is it? Feels, or is it matte? It's one of those. I don't know, but it does feel nice, to be fair. And I shall stick that over there and chuck these over here. Now we've got the Super RS 3MV2, long name. Now, of course, I got this for £20 as part of a lucky dip draw. Don't know exactly why it was in there. Packaging is a bit damaged, but yeah, maybe a lot fast. Yeah, solved. Yeah. 22. That says more about me than the cube. It's good. Yes, it is a good cube. But I think it's slightly smaller than Udon by, well, a millimeter, of course. Is it? It says it is on the website anyway. But I think it's too fast. I mean, I don't know what it's actually got in terms of magnets. So obviously, edge magnets to edge corner, and that's it. Wow, that is that's incredibly dry. It does take a bit of force to. I mean, that's not too much actually. Can't remember. Got this. Oh, that's probably not a good thing. But, whoops. I think it's what, 3 years old now? 3 years old now. I don't know. Not sure. As I say, I didn't actually try and buy this. It's just a thing. Yeah, of course I did. It was just, here, you bought these things, so have this. Or you asked for this, so I'm gonna give you this as it. That was an awful explanation. Yeah, I asked a surprise thing. I didn't know what I was getting, and they sent me this. Happy with it though. 3x3. Of course, I think 4th Moyu screwdriver by this point. Could be more though. Of course, a pamphlet, which I will definitely not be needing. I don't know. This is something for holding a core, for taking it apart and putting it back together. And of course, these little bits are for adjusting, I'm presuming. Yeah, it's a drill adjustment system. So that's why you need 2, of course. And then this, for what I can tell, holds the core in place. Clamp it down on it like that. I will not be trying that though. That will be said. And now this brings us on to the final cube. Is a Dian Megaminx Pro Magnetic. Of course, comes with some pieces in case you want it to be black instead of grey. Of course, magnetized, so should anyway. All come together. Comes with some different springs. Sure, maybe 12 springs, I reckon. Yeah, it should be 12. And then of course the Megaminx itself, which is, I think it's a bit smaller than my old one. I don't practice Megaminx, like, ever. But from what I can tell, this seems to be quite a good cube. And I have actually, in fact, met the world record holder for Megaminx. So, yeah. Interesting, somewhat. So yeah. I will do a Megaminx solve at some point. And see how I got on my Personal Best 414. Which was literally just after Christmas. Yeah. Christmas 24. Is it ball core? Jeez. Is it? I have no idea. I don't know if I want to swap it to black. I might. I think it is ball core. Which is incredibly good, just being my last one wasn't even edge tear corner magnetic. So yeah, I was probably going to swap these pieces out for black ones, just because I think it looks nicer, to be honest. And I will do a solve. Why? I don't know. I might do a solve. Yeah, I'm going to do a solve. May as well. Right, so of course we need to do solve this cube as well. So $21, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad there again. I make myself in some one. Right, so I just got PB literally first solve of the cube. Damn. We absolutely take that every day of the week. Insane. 401 by the way. I guys didn't particularly show it. Just to summarise what I got. Gear cube. Very loud, very heavy as well. Diane Megaminx, which is very good. I mean, I just got PB first solve with it by literally 13 seconds. Muyu RS3M Super V2 whatever. Gans Cube, of course, Matt, and of course, how could you forget Muyu Bag. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.